Last episode you saw me give you a tour of that giant hemlock that fell down, and I was wondering what I'm going to do with it. And today, while limbing it, getting ready to maybe buck it, I realized that all of the limbs, all of the branches I was cutting off, all had fatwood at their core. So I decided the first thing I'm going to do with it is harvest all the fatwood. So that's what I've been doing all day. Let me show you how it went. This is how you can tell there's fatwood in there. That dark red portion. All of these branches. So what I'm doing is cutting the branch off around a foot, 10 inches away from the trunk, and then cutting as far into the trunk, into the knot as possible, because half of this section is probably, the core of it is probably fatwood. So as I work my way down, I'm checking to see how dark the core is, and it's not here yet, so I'm just going to cut a few more inches off. And just sort of keep going until it starts to get dark, like around here, and then I'm just going to take as much into here as possible. Because yeah, that's nice and dark. So probably, 6 inches of that. I'll take a big chunk out of the section and show you what it looks like inside. So yeah, all the way down inside, this is all fatwood, which is brilliant for starting fires. And so yeah, I'll just throw that in a bag and chop it up into pieces later. Makes great kindling. Off we go to process some fatwood. This will be fun. I've never actually cut up fatwood before. I assume you just split it like anything else. Let's find out. So what I'm noticing is this is really wet. It's like it's cold because there's so much moisture in it. So hopefully once this is dried out, this becomes essentially instant kindling, but it lights and doesn't go out. It lights like a fire lighter. So this whole section in the center is all good to go. Just got to get it out. yeah, anyway, that's Fatwood. Pretty easy to find, apparently. I've never done that before. It was a lot of fun. I do give Fatwood to everyone who comes here to camp at Lumbering Shenanigans. I give them a few sticks. I use this stuff that's readily available online. I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to buy some. Really great nature's fire starter. Just put a match to it, piece of newspaper underneath maybe to get it going, and then it just burns like a fire starter. It's great. Anyway, that's that for now. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That kind of feedback's always appreciated. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so. My channel is extremely varied. I try and keep things interesting. Anything to do with maintaining this forest, rehabilitating the forest, building cabins, campsites, all that kind of stuff. Hope you stick around and find out. Thanks very much for watching.